Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I want to show you a feature called Buckle Up to Drive in the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Vehicle, and as you can see right here, it's the third option down, Buckle to Drive. It's off right now, and now it's on. And if maybe you got in and you're just driving around and, at work in the parking lot, I don't know, there's a lot of different things that could be going on. If this is a farm truck for you, yeah, that sounds really funny, doesn't it? But who knows, someone might do that. But if you're saying, well, I don't want that feature on right now, well, obviously you can come in here and turn it right back off. So there is how you use Buckle to Drive, turning it on and or off. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please share it on your timelines on social media so other people can learn from it. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in my next video.